Hi, I'm Chris from Optimal Web Design. I have 19 years of experience in the search engine optimization industry. Today we're going to talk about the importance of the first paragraph and why it matters. Let's say we go to Google and we do a search for commercial painters in Perth. We're to scroll down to the organic results. Let's say we were to click on the first two results that are returned. All right. When we look at the first paragraph, one of the big determining factors of how well your website will rank in search engines such as Google has to do with user intent. If you haven't heard of this before, user intent is what is the customer actually looking for, to provide them with that information as quickly as possible. Don't fluff around, give them the answer. If someone's looking for a pest control company in Dallas or Sydney, your first opening paragraph should tell people, yes, we're a local pest control company located in Dallas or in Sydney, and we provide our services to both the residential and the commercial sector. Gone are the days of writing lots of generic posts and content that fluff around. Google is really giving a bonus and a leg up to companies that are actually providing people with what they are looking for. So back to the example that I was just giving. If we will look for commercial painters in Perth, you'll see in this first paragraph, this company talks about how they are painters in Perth and that they provide commercial painting. They go on about the different type of painting that they provide, but you can see in that first paragraph, it's straight to the point. It's clear that they are painters, they're located in Perth, and that they provide commercial painting with it, which is what we've searched for. Once again, if we go into this company here, you'll see straight away they mention that they are a commercial painting contractor based in Western Australia. So we can see here that they are in WA, which relates, of course, to the Perth area. And they mention straight up front that they do commercial work. This is relevant to any type of service or product your business provides and is absolutely crucial with your on-site search optimization. Make sure that your opening paragraph is straight to the point and tells the user that you do exactly what it is that they have searched for. If you're wanting to learn more on how to best search optimize your website, I've created a Search Engine Optimization Academy with easy to follow video tutorials and further information on how to best optimize and implement these optimization techniques onto your website to generate the best possible search results for your business today.